Welcome to our journey through the top 15 honeymoon destinations in the United States. From tropical escapes to snowy wonderlands, this list is packed with romantic, adventurous, and unforgettable locations to help you plan the perfect start to married life. Let's begin with Maui, Hawaii, an island that feels like it was crafted specifically for love. Maui is the definition of tropical romance, offering stunning waterfalls, lush jungles, black sand beaches, and luxury resorts overlooking turquoise waters. The famous Road to Hana delivers breathtaking scenery with over 600 curves and 50 bridges. Watch the sunrise from the summit of Haleakala, a dormant volcano above the clouds. Maui's hospitality, natural beauty, and culture are unmatched. Fly into Kahului Airport and prepare for a honeymoon filled with snorkeling, private luaus, and seaside massages. Fun fact, Maui is also home to one of the few beaches in the world where green sea turtles regularly sunbathe alongside humans. Next is Napa Valley, California, where rolling vineyards, wine cellars, and candlelit dinners make this region a dream for sophisticated couples. Known globally for its wine production, Napa hosts over 400 wineries. A hot air balloon ride at dawn reveals the entire valley wrapped in mist, absolutely magical. It's not just about wine. Napa also boasts Michelin star restaurants and boutique spas offering great base treatments. Fly into San Francisco or Sacramento, then enjoy a scenic drive to this romantic haven. For timeless charm, Charleston, South Carolina delivers cobblestone streets, pastel homes, and southern hospitality. The city's historic district is like a living postcard, complete with horse-drawn carriages and gas lanterns. Visit the iconic Rainbow Row or take a sunset walk at the waterfront park. Charleston is also a culinary powerhouse with award-winning restaurants serving low-country cuisine. The city's oldest building dates back to the 1600s, and its stories of love, war, and resilience are perfect for couples who love culture with their romance. If you prefer snow-capped peaks and cozy lodges, Aspen, Colorado is a luxurious alpine escape. Known primarily for its world-class ski slopes, Aspen offers just as much charm in the summer with wildflower trails and mountain picnics. Couples can enjoy sleigh rides under the stars or warm up beside a fire with hot chocolate after a day on the slopes. Flying into Aspen, Pitkin County Airport makes access a breeze. Aspen also hosts film, music, and food festivals, making it perfect year-round. For a Caribbean-like getaway without leaving the US, Key West, Florida is a quirky, colorful, and deeply romantic choice. Picture sunset sails, coral reef snorkeling, and pastel cottages. Ernest Hemingway spent years here, and his home, with its famous six-toed cats, is open to visitors. Duval Street offers vibrant nightlife, while the beaches offer peace and privacy. The laid-back atmosphere and come-as-you-are culture make this one of the most fun and relaxed honeymoon spots. Lake Tahoe, straddling the border of California and Nevada, is a nature lover's paradise. In summer, the crystal clear lake is perfect for kayaking, sailing, and paddleboarding. In winter, couples can ski and cozy up in luxurious cabins. One amazing fact, the water in Lake Tahoe is so clear that a white dinner plate can be seen at depths of up to 70 feet. Fly into Reno and enjoy this year-round romantic destination. In the American South, Savannah, Georgia invites honeymooners to slow down and savor its beauty. Dripping with Spanish moss and history, Savannah offers romantic riverboat cruises, art galleries, and antique shops. Forsyth Park is ideal for a romantic stroll, and the city's open container law means you can enjoy a glass of wine as you wander its picturesque squares. Don't miss the ghost tours. Savannah is known as one of America's most haunted cities. For couples drawn to red rock canyons and spiritual serenity, Sedona, Arizona is captivating. Known for its mystical energy vortexes, Sedona combines desert beauty with spa luxury. Hike through towering red cliffs, explore ancient Native American ruins, and book a couple's massage surrounded by panoramic desert views. Sedona is especially popular with artistic couples. It's home to over 80 galleries and hosts art walks, film festivals, and yoga retreats. Few places in the U.S. offer the dramatic beauty and serenity of Big Sur, California. This rugged stretch of coastline is where the Santa Lucia Mountains meet the Pacific Ocean in a dramatic collision of cliffs and waves. Drive along Highway 1 and stay in cliffside lodges that feel like they're floating above the sea. With very few distractions and limited cell service, Big Sur forces you to slow down and connect with each other and with nature. If your dream honeymoon includes luxury, non-stop entertainment, and unforgettable skyline views, New York City has everything you need. From romantic walks in Central Park to private helicopter rides above Manhattan, NYC is bursting with experiences. Dine at some of the world's best restaurants, watch a Broadway show, or explore hidden gems like speakeasies and rooftop gardens. Fun fact, you can actually rent a gondola in Central Park for an intimate ride that rivals Venice. For a more secluded Hawaiian escape, Kauai offers raw natural beauty. Nicknamed the Garden Isle, it's the oldest of the Hawaiian islands and home to the Napali Coast, Waimea Canyon, and countless secret beaches. Unlike the busier islands, Kauai is about simplicity and serenity. Couples can kayak along the Wailua River, hike through jungle trails, and watch dolphins leap in the distance. One of the coolest facts? More than 90% of the island is inaccessible by road, making it a true wilderness paradise. Off the coast of Washington State, the San Juan Islands offer a slower pace and intimate charm. These islands are a hidden gem, with whale-watching tours, artisanal food, and quiet harbors. Orcas Island, the largest in the archipelago, is a favorite for couples thanks to its secluded coves, hiking trails, and picturesque inns. The islands are also one of the best places in the U.S. to see bioluminescence in the water, a glowing natural phenomenon perfect for a magical midnight paddle. If you're craving culture, music, and history, head to New Orleans, Louisiana. This city pulses with life. From jazz bands in the French Quarter to steamboat rides on the Mississippi, New Orleans is a feast for the senses. Take a cooking class together to learn Cajun recipes, explore centuries-old cemeteries, or just relax with beignets and chicory coffee at Café du Monde. Here, every street corner has a story, and every meal is a celebration. East Coast couples should consider Cape Cod, Massachusetts, a nostalgic seaside escape filled with white sand beaches, cozy inns, and charming villages. Stroll through antique shops, take a ferry to Martha's Vineyard or Nantucket, and enjoy a beach bonfire as the sun sets. Cape Cod has a deep maritime history. You can still visit lighthouses that have guided ships for over 200 years. For seafood lovers, this is heaven. Fresh lobster, oysters, and clam chowder await. Lastly, for epic natural beauty and adventure, Glacier National Park, Montana is unbeatable. With more than 700 miles of trails, glacial lakes, and towering peaks, this is paradise for hiking and wildlife watching couples. The iconic Going to the Sun Road offers breathtaking views at every turn. Stay in rustic lodges or cozy cabins under star-filled skies. Did you know Glacier is one of the few places in the lower 48 states where you can still see active glaciers? It's a bucket list worthy experience, perfect for couples who crave awe and intimacy. From mountains to beaches, cities to forests, these 15 destinations offer something for every kind of honeymooner. Whether you want to relax, explore, or fall in love all over again, there's a place on this list that can make your dream trip come true. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments which honeymoon destination is your favorite or which one we should cover next.